Kaspersky Administration Kit provides security administrators with a powerful and flexible management console to manage Windows workstations and servers, Linux workstations and servers, Novell servers, and Mac clients. For Windows workstations and servers, the Admin Kit provides network discovery by Active Directory, domains and workgroups, and IP subnets, security policy enforcement, update and scanning tasks management, simple migration and deployment tools, extensive reporting and notification features, and highly flexible and highly scalable management tools to manage any number of clients. Kaspersky Administration Kit supports several Windows operating systems including Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2003, Windows 2000 Server, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP Professional. Both 32-bit and 64-bit versions are supported. Kaspersky Administration Kit supports several database servers: SQL Server 2008 R2, SQL Server 2008 R2 Express, SQL Server 2008, SQL Server 2008 Express, SQL Server 2005, SQL Server 2005 Express, SQL Server 2000, and MySQL 5.0.67 and 5.0.85. During installation, the Admin Kit can be connected to an existing enterprise database, or a database can be installed with the Admin Kit. SQL Server 2005 Express is included as part of the Kaspersky Administration Kit installation file. Once installed, the Kaspersky Administration Kit opens to the Getting Started screen. From here, the security administrator can quickly see the status of and management aspects of Kaspersky antivirus throughout the network, including network discovery, deployment, group management, protection status, malware scanning, updates, and reports and notification. The Kaspersky Administration Kit console can be installed on the security administrator's own computer and used to connect remotely to the Kaspersky administration server while on the corporate network. During installation, Kaspersky Administration Kit will perform network discovery, displaying nodes on the network in the following views: by domains, by Active Directory, and by IP subnets. By default, the Admin Kit will scan domains and Active Directory every 60 minutes and IP subnets every 7 hours. The discovery results can be used to create a group management structure. In the Managed Computers container, the policy and tasks for Kaspersky Antivirus will be enforced for all managed workstations and servers. The security administrator can create management groups using discovery results by the Group Structure Wizard. Completing the Group Structure Wizard will import the domain, workgroup, or Active Directory structure and create corresponding management groups under the Managed Computers group. The security administrator may also create groups and add computers manually. During installation of Kaspersky Administration Kit, default protection policies for Windows workstations and servers are created. The default policies are applied to all managed computers and are inherited throughout the subgroups. In the default workstations policy, all of the protection components including real-time scanning settings, firewall settings, and scanning exclusions for Kaspersky Antivirus for Windows workstations can be configured independently. All of the settings are locked at the client, shown by the lock logos, and set to recommended settings which offer the best balance of security and performance. By default, all managed computers will receive this policy. Additionally, the administrator can create an independent mobile workstation policy by adding a new workstation policy and changing its protection status to mobile policy. The mobile policy only goes into effect when the client workstation is off the network and is an optional policy. In the absence of a mobile policy, the active policy is always enforced wherever the client is. Each management group contains a policy container. Policies can be configured and customized for specific management groups. During the installation of Kaspersky Administration Kit, default maintenance tasks for updating and scanning for Windows workstations and servers are created. The default tasks are applied to all managed computers and are inherited through subgroups. The update task for workstations is pre-configured for clients to receive updates from the Kaspersky administration server when inside the corporate network. While outside the corporate network, clients will connect to the nearest Kaspersky update servers on the internet. So, wherever the clients are, they will continue to receive the latest malware signature updates from Kaspersky. Settings for update source, updating schedule, and notifications can be configured for the task. The virus scan task for workstations is pre-configured for clients to scan weekly. Settings for objects to be scanned, scanning schedule, and notifications can be configured for the task. Kaspersky Administration Kit offers several deployment options. Standard deployment uses Remote Procedure Call, RPC, to install Kaspersky antivirus to clients. Other deployment methods include a one-click installation package, logon script installation, and group policy object installation. The installation package to be deployed can be selected. Kaspersky Antivirus is deployed with Kaspersky Network Agent, which provides the communication between Kaspersky Antivirus and Kaspersky Administration Kit. Select the target computers for deployment. Select the task settings and the license for deployment. A license key file is usually added during installation of Kaspersky Administration Kit or added here in the wizard. To complete Kaspersky Antivirus for Windows Workstations deployment, a restart is required. The options include not to restart, force a computer restart, or prompt the user for action, which is the default. A custom message prompt can be configured, which appears as a small message box to the user when a restart is needed. The user may be reprompted and a restart can be enforced after a specified number of minutes. The Kaspersky Antivirus for Windows Workstations installation package has the ability to remove hundreds of versions of incompatible anti-malware solutions before installing Kaspersky Antivirus. With this feature, the deployment task will automatically remove the currently installed anti-malware solution. A security administrator can add accounts which have administrative rights on the target computers in order to execute deployment. By default, the default administrative account entered during installation of Kaspersky Administration Kit will be used. During deployment of Kaspersky Antivirus, the task pane will report the progress of deployment of each target computer. The security administrator can click any status to view the target computers by status. Each status is represented by a different color. As deployment completes, the Kaspersky Network Agent on each client will synchronize with the administration kit to configure each client with the policy and task settings. All client events and statuses will be reported to the Kaspersky Administration Kit. Kaspersky Administration Kit offers several reporting features including real-time statistics, notification, and regular reports. The statistics window acts as a real-time dashboard which updates several times per minute with the latest information reported by Kaspersky Antivirus clients. On the protection window, the current status of clients in the protection status are reported. The security administrator can click any status to create a query window which lists all clients with a particular status. The administrator can double-click any individual client to see that client's properties. On the Deployment tab, information about which clients that have or don't have Kaspersky Network Agent and Kaspersky Antivirus are reported. Also, license usage, the number of new computers discovered on the network, and the deployed versions of Kaspersky Antivirus are reported. The Update tab reports the status of anti-malware updates of Kaspersky Antivirus clients. The number of anti-malware signatures in the Kaspersky Administration Kit database over time is also reported. The Antivirus Statistics tab reports recent anti-malware events of Kaspersky Antivirus clients. Reports can be delivered via email to any number of administrators and at any desired frequency. Reports can be configured to report on the entire enterprise or on specific management groups. The reports can be delivered in HTML, PDF, or XML formats. Several basic reports are available, including protection coverage, antivirus database versions, virus reports, most infected computers, infected users, and license usage reports. Clicking the Viruses report creates an ad hoc report of the malware detected in the network. When the report is generated, the data is represented graphically at the top. There is a summary table of the data, in this case the malware objects discovered. The number of occurrences and the first and last detection times are reported. In the Detail section, each malware event is reported, including the malware name, time and date of the event, the client, its group, the specific dangerous object, and the action taken on the malware. The administrator can create specific reports by clicking any of the linked data in the report. For example, clicking on the client computer, a report is generated on all malware events on a specific computer. Reports like the Viruses report can be combined with other reports such as the user of infected systems, the most infected computers, to see what malware is affecting the network and which users and clients are affected most. These reports will give the security administrator clear views into what's happening in the network over time, which can be archived for reference. Real-time notifications can be configured to send email messages, send network messages, execute scripts, or create SNMP traps. Notification settings are configured in the workstation and server protection policies. Several features in Kaspersky Administration Kit make central management effective and scalable for networks of any size. The Kaspersky Administration Kit is a free, scalable solution which can be installed multiple times across a network in a distributed security management model. A master Kaspersky Administration Kit can manage multiple slave administration kits and their clients. The slave server allows the site or regional security administrator to fully manage clients for parts of the network. The master Kaspersky Administration Kit will collect data from all the slave servers to create enterprise reports. Once Kaspersky Administration Kit has been deployed to a slave server, it may be connected to a master Kaspersky Administration Kit. Kaspersky Antivirus updates are small, efficient, and frequent. The use of update agents can add efficiency to Kaspersky Antivirus deployment and anti-malware updates by localizing network traffic. An update agent is a client computer in a management group of Kaspersky Administration Kit which stores and distributes anti-malware database updates and installation packages within its group. The Kaspersky Administration Kit enables the security administrator to use computer selection views based on specific conditions. Several preset standard selections are included with the Kaspersky Administration Kit, and customized selections can quickly be created based on a variety of network, protection status, installed applications, and operating system characteristics. The administrator can double-click any client in these selections to see the client's properties. Using the Kaspersky Administration Kit, the administrator can view client events by preset standard selections and create customized selections. The repository container includes installation packages used for remote deployment for workstations and servers, anti-malware and application module updates, licenses in use in the corporate network, quarantine information on suspicious heuristically detected objects by Kaspersky Antivirus on managed computers, backup information on malicious objects deleted or disinfected by Kaspersky Antivirus on managed computers, and unprocessed file information on dangerous objects detected by Kaspersky Antivirus on managed computers when configured to await an administrator's decision. To summarize, Kaspersky Administration Kit provides security administrators with a powerful and flexible management server to manage Windows workstations and servers, Linux workstations and servers, Novell servers, and Mac clients.